Hey friend, hey, welcome to or welcome back to Stay Calm and Budget. Today it's time to look at our sinking funds. How much did they grow from January to February? Let's see. Stay tuned. Hey, so welcome back to Stay Calm and Budget. Today we're going to be looking at all of my sinking funds to see how much we have grown or how much we have shrank. I don't think that we have gone down in any, but we shall see. So as always, we start with our people binder. Let's see what we have. Shania. See this? You know what? I should take them all out. That's what I should do. Okay, let's try this again. So, Shania, she has 1, 2, 3, 320, 340, 360, 370, 375, 380, 381, 382, 383, 384. So Shania has, and we're going to use orange today. 384. Let's put this back. If you haven't already, please like this video. That would help your girl out in the algorithm. I really appreciate it. And by the way, go ahead and hit that subscribe button as well. All right, so Nadia has 100, 200, 300, 350, 370, 390, 395, 396, 397, 398, 399. Nadia has 399. Much faster and much easier as I took it out of that binder. Kaimana, I got it all, has 100, 200, 300, 400, 450, 470, 490, 500, nope, that's not 500, that's 510, but let's count again. 1, 2, 3, 4, 50, 70, 90, 510, 515, 516, 517. 517 Kaimana has, 517. Sometimes I'm good with the 50s and the 20s. Sometimes I'm like, bruh, what are you counting? Pumbaa. As far as right now, Pumbaa has 20, 40, 60, 81, 100. And again, probably be taking that out soon so he can go. We have to pay ourselves back from him getting groomed. Allowance. Do I have allowance up here? I think I always do this, and I do. Okay. So allowance has 20, 40, 60, 81, 20, 40, 60, 82, 20, 40, 60, 75, 76, 77, 78, 79, 80, 280, 280. My brother Tony has 20, 40, 60, 80, 1, 10, 15, 16, 17, 18, 118. So he did come up. Nice. Okay. And gifts. We have 5, 10, 15, 20, 25, 30, 35, 40, 45. 45, 47. I don't know if anybody remember all about the Benjamins with what's his name? Mike Epps, when he was like 24, 35, 45, 46. I probably got the numbers wrong, but y'all know what I'm talking about. All right, let's go to our hum binder and look and see what we got. I don't think I need to take these out. Let's see, HOA. If you hear my chair, it's kind of squeaky, so I do apologize. Do I have an HOA? Nope, I didn't do HOA because we always pay that out. So it's kind of like a cash envelope, I guess. I know, I keep forgetting what I have down here and it's written right in my face. All right, but we do have health, right? Yeah, we got health. In health, we have, oh, there's a 50, 50, 70, and 90. We have 90 in health. And family time, date night, we have, come on, go down. We have 1, 10, 20, 5, 35. 135. Family time 135. Travel. We have 20, 40, 65, 75. We have 75 in travel. Where are you? Travel 75. Household. Let's see. We have, I'm sure it's on here. 150, 2, 20, 40, 50, 60, 70, 270. 270. Nice. Car, flooring, and rims. We have a total of 50. Oh, 50. I was about to say 51. No, that is 150, 70, 90, 210, 230. So that is car loan. Where are we at? Car loan. What did I say? 230. Let me count that again. Is it 230? 150, 70, 90, 210, 230. Yeah. Tripping. Okay. Car maintenance. $20. Well, we did go down in car maintenance, but we had to service that big old beast outside. All right, that's it for the hum binder. Let's see what we have in our savings challenge binder. Alrighty. Beauty, which is hair. Throw that out. We have 50, 70, 90, 110, 130, 150, 170, 190, 210, 220, 230, 240, 250, 260, 270, 280, 290, 295, 300. 300. I caught myself for a minute. I had to wait a minute. What you doing? Okay, debt snowball. I know we went down in this because we had 650 and we sure did pay off some debt, which our debt confession update for the month of February should be coming out probably tomorrow. So we have 10, 20, 30, 40, 50, 60, 70, 80, 90, 100. All right. Alrighty. Let's that's kind of shiny. Let's move this here. Maybe we can knock, there we go. Alrighty, so you see the delta between these two, and I noticed as I was looking at it, I went back and fixed this. It wasn't 477, it's 437. What I did was I made a new sheet and I laminated it, but here's the old sheet where it was 437. Going from January to February, it was 437. And then the ending by, oh wait, maybe it was. You know what? I think I put the wrong balances down for them. I put the beginning balances for January. Let me fix that. All right, me wanting to getting this new laminator, and I'm trying to laminate everything and trying to put what I have on these laminating sheets. And look, I messed up, so I just want to make sure 344, 359, 477, 60, 70, 190, 181, 95, 25, 210, 100, 200, 650, 335, and 33. Okay, so let's look at these deltas. Let's use a different color for the delta between these. See how much we actually grew. So that is a plus 40, and that's a plus 40. Plus 40, of course that's evident, plus 40. That is a plus 20. Let's see, is that plus 40? That's why I have my calculator right here. 230 subtract 190, yeah, plus 40. Plus 40, and 300 subtract 300 subtract 181, 119 plus 119, and then this one is plus 40, this one is plus 50, this one's plus 60, this one is a minus 80, and this one is a plus 80. This one is a minus 550. This is plus 10. This is a plus 85. All right, so give me some time. Let me add these up, and I'm also add the deltas up and see what our percentage is on what we went up. One moment. So it looked like we went up, not much, but we went up. So we went up, let's see, $34, which it shows right here, the delta. And so that's plus $34, which is pretty good. Something's better than nothing, right? And then we're gonna do 3,063 divided by 3,029. So we went up about 1%. I'm happy with it. It's something, you know, we grew. We took a hit in the debt snowball, but that's what we're supposed to do because we're trying to get rid of this debt, and that's what that's for. But yeah, $34. I'm all for it. Anywho, thank you guys for rocking with me to the end of this video, and my little snafu with not doing the ending balances of January and putting those up here for the February. But yeah, anywho, thank you guys for watching. Please like, share, and subscribe. As you see, if I can do it, you can do it as well. I believe in you, believe in yourself. You can start from nothing and you'll end up with plus $34, right? Anywho, I see you guys on the next go round. Keep it moving, keep it growing, keep it going. And I love you. So see you soon on a debt confession update. Bye.